currently here in Kuranda at the Billabong, which is a rainforest retreat sort of caravan park. As you can see, we had a bit of rain the last few days, like a lot of rain, and the campgrounds are very muddy. They're charging $45 for a powered site. When we arrived it was $40, and we have been advised that they're raising the site fees the next day, so we booked for a week, stay 7, pay 6 for $40 a night, and if we would have waited for the next day would have been $45. And the powered sites don't have any concrete slabs or something. No, they don't have any concrete slabs. All the sites are just on grass, and you can imagine how muddy and soggy it is. They have some cabins as well. I'm not sure what they charge for the cabins, and a licensed cafe, bar, but all in all it's more a feeling like no, a hippie, not a hip camp, a hippie camp. Yeah, close to Woodstock. Oh well, that's okay. Only for 7 nights or 6 nights. We are moving on Sunday to a different caravan park in the area and see how long we will stay there. But in the meantime, that's the best thing you can do with all the water, all the rain. Just sit and work, eh? These are the walkways around the caravan park or on the property still. We haven't received any maps about the caravan park or something. We just paid our fees when they came around, but it wasn't like in other caravan parks where you get a map of the park and then you get information, what is located where. Nothing like that. Yeah, very simple, yet not the most affordable thing, but on the other hand, that's okay. All the caravan parks close to Cairns and in Cairns are all booked out because it's busy season here. And to be honest, we prefer to stay away from the crowds and not in the cramped and packed caravan parks. So it's beautiful here. And even this caravan park is busy. But yeah, as I said, if it's wet season, rainy, you have to expect a lot of mud and water on the ground. And if you have a low clearance vehicle, you may get bogged. Yesterday morning we had to help 2 girls in a Maori camper van, one of the larger sprinter type vans. They parked next to us, and when they wanted to leave in the morning, they couldn't get out. They got bogged, so we got our max tracks off the car and helped them leaving the campground. So yeah, if you're not in for an adventure, go to a proper caravan park with concrete slab sites. Okay. Crocs? You think they are Crocs? You're going through or not?
Through.
Okay. Follow Dudley. I can't take my shoes off. Here, come on. Do it like Tarzan. Here, Simon. Ooh. Come here, Dudley. It's not cold. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is it stony, like rocky, or is it soft? Huh? Slippery? Hmm. The lychees, no, the lychees are waiting for us.
We can't hold a net.
Right?
We can't hold a net.
I don't want to hold and just want to have some support. That's all. That was quite steep here.
Something. Happening. Pure nature.
Ooh, big washouts. You sure? Oh, yeah. healthy living. Following upstream. Simon is collecting lychees. Don't stop. They'll jump on you. That's what I said, don't stop. Lychees everywhere. Or lychees. We call them lychees. Leeches. How do you pronounce that? Blutegel in German. Leeches. Leeches? Lychees? Huh? Are there lychees or leeches? How do you pronounce them? You don't know either? Okay. Oh. We'll look it up later. Leeches. The little suckers that suck your blood. You know what I mean. Little worms that attach to your skin and suck your blood. Like these here. He's on the way. There is one on the way to my Gonimansky. Extremely muggy, but not hot, just high humidity and I would say maybe 20 degrees, not too hot. Perfect conditions actually.
Keep going, keep going.
Going back to the caravan? You want to return?
Yeah, I think there was another truck.
Another track? Which one? Oh no, not today. Because I think there's another storm coming. I got that feeling, my head is telling me. And it's getting darker and darker, although we have just, what is it? Not even 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Huh? Well, we can keep continue, but yeah. Alright. Okay. Hurry up before we get wet.
I think that's a creek bed in the middle rainforest. Just walk down. And we have to go back up now. And you can see how it goes down. So, done the first part, eh?
But it's not that exhausting actually.
Yeah.
You just have to be careful because it's a bit slippery. So that's all unpowered. These are the only powered sites here in that huge area, and then there are a few other large areas with unpowered sites. But this side here, this corner is the only one with power and water. So, and then down there you have the camp kitchen and toilets, unisex toilets and showers.
Yeah.
Very average for $45 a night.
Yeah.
To be honest. And then have a look at what our mat looks like. This is the tire print from the girls yesterday morning. As Simon had to help with the max tracks. And it is so soaky here. Look at this. As soon as it rains, or even now, you still see the water here. Oh my god. And it's since the day we arrived. Pretty much. Like, today is Friday and we arrived on Monday. We're leaving on Sunday, so that's okay. But it will be interesting to clean up this thing here. And it just starts raining again. And we have dry season. Just for the records, we have dry season. It's July. It's not meant to be rainy. Not like that, at least. And this is what it looks like underneath the mat. There's the mat, and Simon is having the task to clean that stuff. And it just started raining again. Or should we say it never stopped?
Huh?
Pretty much never stopped.
What, the rain?
Yeah. What a yuck weather. Done a good job. Oh, look at that.